Accurpress with Sterling Machinery Exchange. We've been buying, selling, and trading new and used equipment such as press brakes, shears, grinders, lathes, milling machines, saws, lasers, and much more since 1954. Today we're going to go over a really nice machine, one that we carry a lot of. We've gone through hundreds of these machines, made by a company called Accurpress. Very nice machine, has kind of a unique setup and design. There's a few drawbacks and a few great things about it. One thing you'll notice is a very low profile. The way that it uses this grasshopper type leg system, if you take a look back here, you'll see how the cylinders, they raise up from the back, and that's going to go ahead and engage the front with this grasshopper system. Now there is seals and bushings and everything in between there, obviously, so those are going to be some of your wear points, but for the most part they're pretty easy to repair and replace if needed, and it's a pretty low maintenance type machine. As I say, a really nice low profile. This is 175 tons by 12 foot. We'll take a look at a few other brakes we have just so you can kind of understand the size and low profile. Here you can see another couple of Accurpresses. There's a 14 footer and a 12 footer. Cincinnati's over here. Now Cincinnati has a little bit of a unique, different operation, has two direct cylinders directly onto the ram, pushing it down. What that's going to do is give you a much higher, taller machine. So you can see it's a much bigger machine in placement. And this is actually 135 ton as compared to the 175. You can see another machine like this is a Pacific. This is a very heavy duty machine. It's actually 300 tons. The reason you see no bed here is because actually the bed does have a pit. Pit goes about that far into the ground, and that's how this one's going to actuate. What they did with that is because it has these two cylinders, if they didn't have a pit, the machine would be so high in the air, it'd be very hard for you to get material all the way up there and be able to work it. So they lower it in there, and that helps all the center of gravity as well. Let's take a look at this Accurpress. These guys are one of the most popular machines in the business. As I say, still in business, get parts and service on them. We'll run it through a cycle here. We have dual palm mode here. Now we've already programmed the back gauge, so after each ram move, the back gauge is going to start to move to its next step. So you can see now we have our first step. We're going to go through our program. Back gauge moves to the next step, and so on. So as the back gauge is going back and forth, your ram is also programmed, and that's going to allow you to change your depth of your die. If you're going to be using a lot of different dies, you can go ahead and change them in here and come back to your program over and over. Now also notice the ram has a few different speeds. So you're going to have a fast approach. Right there is fast approach, slow forming, and a quick retreat. Everything on these machines are made to increase your production and help you with your materials, make a nice quality part. If this is the type of machine you're looking for, if you have one to buy, sell, or trade, if you have another type of brake or shear, if anything you're looking for, please give us a call. We buy and sell and trade all type of industrial equipment. Our phone number is 626-444-0311. You can check out our website for some great financing options, as well as complete inventory, videos, how-to, and a lot of help at sterlingmachinery.com. Thank you.
Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip making machinery such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311 and our educated staff can find the right machine for you.